Hello friends, this is Pooja again from Sony Craft. I hope you enjoy watching my videos. And as you all of know that currently I am obsessed with the resin. So whatever I'm doing in my time, I want to share all with you guys. So in today's video, I will show you how we can make a trinket dish or jewelry platter out of resin. And as you can see already on the screen that once again I am using my own made mold. So this is not any store bought mold I am using here. So I hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial, and if you have any questions, please put them in the comment section and I'll be happy to help you. Now I have already measure my resin as per the instruction, and I am just mixing my resin here. So it is very important to mix the resin thoroughly and at least for 2 to 3 minutes if we really need a good shine in the in our artwork. So I have taken 100 ml of resin, I guess, and I'm just putting it, and now I felt that its resin would not be enough for this platter, so I'm just mixing some more resin. Now I'm taking my disposable cups here, and I will be mixing my pigments into the small parts of, sorry, the small portion of the resin here. For this dish I am using a very dark wine red color pigment, golden pigment of course, and a moonstone pink pigment. It is a very light pink color. I mean almost white color which I will be using. So here I'm just taking the small amount of pigments and mixing in small portions of my clear resin. I'll mix all three pigments and then we will start pouring. Here as you can see that I am using the clear resin from the outer edge of the mold. I will be pouring a clear resin, and then I'll be pouring my pigments, which you will be easily able to make out in the video. So enjoy the pouring. Here I'm not using the heat gun, I will be using the blowtorch to pop up any bubble on my resin. because heat gun will move my pigments more, which I don't want. Though I'm using a thin resin already, it's a 3 to 1 ratio resin, so I'm expecting that all the pigments will get merged all together and will give us a nice effect. So let's see once it is cured. Okay guys, so it's more than 12 hours I poured here this dish. So I just wanted to show you a small arrangement. I demolded this platter, sorry, I demolded this platter, and just keep this platter into the bowl which was available at my home. And I'm just using the parchment paper here so that the bowl will I mean the dish will not get stick to the bowl. And I'm just using whatever I have in my I had in my house to shape the dish. Okay, so now after 24 of hours, our dish is ready, and you can see it has taken a shape which I wanted. Now I will just sand the sides, all sides of this dish, and believe me, guys, it takes a lot of time and effort. And then I will paint it gold. So to for the painting the sides, I am just taking a small amount, just 5 or 6 ml of varnish, adding that varnish with a gold mica powder. Okay, and making a paste, and just with the help of brush I will be applying this mixture on the sides, and it gives me a nice shiny look edges, which definitely I wasn't able to achieve with any metallic or Posca pans. But this mixture works wonder for the sides. So generally whenever I do any coaster or any resin geode or anything which requires a golden edges, I use this mixture. Okay, before we start painting the sides or edges of the dish, just one tip guys, that your resin art needs to be dust free when you start painting the edges. And you can use isopropyl alcohol, and as I was out of my isopropyl alcohol and Amazon will is taking too much time to deliver that, I am just using a random sprit which was available at my home. And during this COVID season, I guess everyone has it, so I'm just using that sanitizer in my tissue paper, and I'll just cleaning the dish, and then I'll do the painting on the edges.